guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to today's video. Today's video we have a Poundland haul for you. Yes, I've been shopping in Poundland, so obviously everything's more or less back open now. There's a few lockdown areas near me, like the middle of Leicester city centre, but luckily I live right on the outskirts, so I was able, obviously got my hair done, so while I was doing that I went into Poundland and wanted, it's one of the bigger stores as well, so obviously they had a lot more stuff in there than normal, so I want to share everything with you. So if this is the type of video you like, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and that bell button. Let's get into this Poundland haul. So I've got a big bag of stuff actually that I got from Poundland. So just diving in here, I picked up this lovely bath mat. This is in a grey colour. This is actually for my mum. She wanted a new, just a cheap bath mat, just for in her bathroom. She doesn't have a bath or anything, but so I picked up this one. It is just like a cotton one. Yeah, 70% cotton and the rest is polyester. But yeah, if you're on a budget, then obviously Poundland is your way to be, obviously. So they do loads of household stuff. So I picked that up for my mum, and that obviously was £1, which is brilliant. Right, next thing that I picked up as well were these double pack of gold bars. These are actually for Sam. These were £2 because obviously you get double the amount in there. You get 18 in the pack. So yeah, I picked those ones up for him. While I was in there as well, I was in the need of some new bakeware. Now, I don't like to spend loads of money on bakeware because if it gets burnt, then a lot of the time I can't get the burns off and I just it ends up going in the bin basically. So I don't spend loads of money. So these were actually £1. I was actually looking for some, but I saw these in there. This is a tray bake tin. Yes, I always try and pick up obviously the cheaper items when it comes to bakeware. So I got this tin because obviously I'm doing a lot more like protein baking and trying to be healthy, so I'm making a lot more of like little snacks and things, obviously to aid weight loss. So obviously I've got a video coming up on this soon, but I don't want to do it just yet until I know enough about it to tell you about it. So yeah, I picked that up as well, and that was £1. Also in the bake section as well, I picked up this non-stick sandwich tin as well, and that one was £1 as well, which I thought was really good. Still in the cooking section, I picked up this chopping board. I do have a granite one, but it's good to have just a spare one as well. So this one was £1. Obviously picked it up in grey, so I thought that was ideal as well. It's easy to just like pick it up and scrape off your your cuttings and stuff than pick up the really heavy one. While I was in that as well, I picked these up for Sam mainly. I might have a couple, but yeah, I picked those up as well. They were £1. You obviously get 9 in there, which is really good. I picked up 2 of these Splash Buster kitchen rolls. These are like the really big ones. These are £1 each. Obviously if you buy stuff from the supermarket, I find them really expensive. So I do like to pick up like loo rolls sometimes, and definitely these kitchen rolls from places like Home Bargain or Poundland because you just get such a better deal. So yeah, I got those. Next up for £1.50, I picked up the Shore Active Dry for Sam. He was running out of antiperspirant, so I picked that one up for him. Next up, this is my favourite scent. This was £1.50. This is my favourite smell. I've just bought this. I had some left from before and now I've just bought some more, so I can really recommend this. This is so nice. It's so nice. Please trust me on this. This is just smells absolutely amazing. So this is my go-to sort of air freshener at the minute, so I really love that. For my mum as well, I picked up this travel mug. This is like a double-walled one. This was £1 as well, which I thought was brilliant for a travel mug. I've actually bought one off my Asda shop as well today, but I think that was like £3.50, and it is literally the same sort of mug, if you know that. Actually I think it's metal here, but I'll give this one to my mum. I'll probably keep the metal one. Yeah, and it's the top actually unfastens easy this time, unlike the one that I got from Home Bargain. So yeah, I can actually vouch that the ones from Poundland are really good. I picked up a roll-on deodorant for myself. This is the Pearl and Beauty. I do like the packaging on that. It just looks really lovely and shiny. Smell wise, it smells really moisturising. It smells really nice, so I picked that up. Obviously I'm into my diet pop as well, so I picked up, this is 2 for £1 of the 0 calorie Coca-Cola. I prefer the 0 over the diet. I just think the zero one tastes better. Also picked up 2 paracetamols. If you know me, you've been following me for a while, I always stock up on these from Poundland or Home Bargain. I also picked up some batteries as well. These are the AA. These are actually for my mum, actually going down there to visit next weekend, so I've got a bag of stuff to take over. So these are for mum. And last but not least, I saw this fat-free vinaigrette, which is only 7 calories, so I thought that was really good. So I picked that up as well. It's just a vinaigrette. It's really nice on salads. 7 calories per tablespoon. It's actually vegan as well, if any of you vegans out there. It's got red pepper and herbs in it as well. And once it's opened, you can keep refrigerated and use within a month. So it's got quite a long shelf life as well. So I thought that was really, really good. I'm always looking out for new sort of buys, food-wise or whatever, you know, like crackers or rice cakes or whatever, you know, I'm always looking out for stuff like that. So that's everything for the Poundland haul. I hope you enjoyed it. If you want to give me a big thumbs up, that'd be brilliant. If you want to subscribe, you can do it in the link below. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, and I'll leave it on the screen, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye.